Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log out of your iPhone completely. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your settings application in your mobile device, and then inside settings, you need to go ahead and simply tap on your Apple ID name. Once you tap onto it, scroll below, you will then be able to find an option that says sign out. Go ahead and simply tap onto it, and then after that, you'll be asked to turn off your Find My iPhone by entering your Apple ID password. Type it in, then tap on turn off. Next, your iPhone will ask if you would like to keep a copy of things like contact, keychain, or health data. You can choose to keep or remove them. Then tap on sign out again to confirm. This completely signs you out of iCloud on your iPhone. At some point, someone else can sign in with your own Apple ID, or you can use a different account yourself. But here's the important part. Signing out of Apple ID does not remove your apps or personal data. Social media apps, banking apps, and everything else will still be logged in. So, if you'd like to completely wipe your iPhone, here's how you can do it. Inside settings, tap on General. Inside General, scroll below. Then you need to go ahead and simply tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then inside here, tap on Erase All Content and Settings. Now, go ahead and tap on Continue, Confirm, and after a few minutes, your iPhone will restart as a brand new. And that's it. That is how you can log out of your iPhone or fully erase it if you're giving it away or starting fresh. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.